Are you looking for a fuse board or distribution board for your home, workplace or factory? When you get a quote for a fuse board, that should cover two parts. The first part is to check that everything is in good working order so that when you fit a new board, you don't get nuisance tripping, you're not sat in the dark. The second part of a quote should be the actual fuse board change price itself, and that includes the parts. If you've had a quote for someone to change a fuse board without doing the testing first, do not accept it. To see what's involved in the testing, it's very similar to an electrical condition report, so see the testing and certificates section of this website. So get your fuse board done properly from a professional NIC/EIC registered electrician. When we do your fuse board, you'll also be covered by a 10-year NIC/EIC warranty for complete peace of mind. So give us a call or use the online quoting form to get a price today.